Welcome to our channel. Have you ever stopped to consider the distinct, unmistakable aroma of cannabis that seems to permeate through walls and linger long after its source has disappeared? It's a fragrance that's both unique and immediately recognizable. A scent that seems to cling to everything it touches and wafts through the air, making its presence known to all around. Perhaps you're familiar with the scent, but have you ever wondered just how it is that this particular aroma can persist so stubbornly, pervading even through barriers? Is it the result of some particular chemical compound or maybe a special trait intrinsic to this plant? Could it be due to the way it's processed or consumed, or perhaps a combination of these factors? The truth is, it's a fascinating and complex interplay of biology, chemistry, and even physics. From the plant's unique composition and the compounds it produces, to the way those compounds interact with the air and our senses, there's a whole world of science behind this distinct odor. Well, brace yourselves, because today we're going to delve right into the heart of this matter. We're going to look at the science that explains this peculiar, pungent aroma. We'll explore the elements and compounds at play, the biological mechanisms that produce them, and how they come together to create that unmistakable scent we all know so well. So buckle up and prepare for a journey of discovery as we uncover the fascinating science behind this pungent aroma. Cannabis is packed with compounds called terpenes such as myrcene, limonene, and pinene, bestowing upon it that unique earthy, citrusy smell. These terpenes are volatile organic compounds that are integral to the plant's distinct aroma. In essence, these natural chemicals are what create that unmistakable scent we associate with cannabis. The chemical structure of terpenes is fascinating. In the world of chemistry, volatile means that a substance can evaporate easily at normal temperatures. This is exactly what happens with the terpenes in cannabis. Even when the plant is at room temperature, these compounds begin to evaporate, releasing their potent scent into the air. This dispersion isn't limited to just the immediate vicinity of the plant. Even a tiny amount of exposed cannabis has the potential to influence the air quality significantly. It's this ability to evaporate and disperse so quickly that results in the far-reaching, robust aroma of cannabis. Imagine walking into a room where a small amount of cannabis has been left exposed. Within seconds, your olfactory senses would pick up on the sharp, earthy scent permeating every corner of the room. That's the power of terpenes. They don't just contribute to the plant's smell, they command the atmosphere around it. This volatility is what makes the cannabis smell so potent and widespread. Our noses are incredibly sensitive to terpenes, detecting them in even the tiniest amounts. This ability is unique to humans and has evolved over millions of years. It's part of our survival mechanism, helping us distinguish between different types of plants and their potential dangers or benefits. Terpenes are organic compounds found in a multitude of plants, but they're highly concentrated in cannabis. These compounds are responsible for the plant's distinctive aroma. Our advanced olfactory system can recognize this aroma, distinguishing it from a wide array of other scents in our environment. This high sensitivity is why we can easily pick up on the presence of cannabis, distinguishing its unique scent from others. Have you ever noticed how the distinct smell of cannabis seems to cling on to almost anything around you? This lingering aroma, both enchanting and controversial, is due to a fascinating phenomenon. Primary culprits behind this are chemical compounds known as terpenes. They are responsible for the characteristic scent of many plants, including cannabis. Terpenes are in fact quite sticky by nature. These compounds have a propensity to adhere to various surfaces. This feature makes the odor of cannabis stubbornly persistent, often lasting far longer than you might anticipate. Their tenacious nature is more notable in enclosed spaces, where there has fewer exit points, or on certain materials that are prone to absorbing odors. The intriguing aspect of terpenes is their microscopic size. This attribute allows these molecules to effortlessly sneak through even the tiniest of cracks and gaps. Furthermore, they can permeate through a variety of materials, even ones as dense as plastic or as porous as fabric. This ability not only facilitates the spread of the scent over a wider radius, but also significantly prolongs its longevity. This is why the scent of cannabis spreads further and lasts even longer than expected. Proper storage is indispensable for ensuring freshness. Utilize airtight, odor-proof containers for optimal results. They effectively trap the aroma, preventing unwanted leakage. However, inadequate handling can backfire, releasing the potent smell. The strong odor won't hesitate to make its presence known. Understanding the robust chemical nature of cannabis and our own sensitivity to its scent explains why its smell is so recognizable and persistent. The unique aroma of cannabis has always intrigued. Its complex chemistry is captivating. If you found this dive into cannabis science intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insightful content.